package. Hey, how y'all doing? You snuck in on me. Welcome Blue Bike and Doyle channel for another episode of Dickin ran in the shed. I'm not going to show you this, but I figure never let a project go to waste. You know, that's never let a crisis go to waste is the Democrats' motto. Anyway, hey, welcome Blue Bike and Doyle channel with another episode of Dickin ran in the shed. I just said that. I got to put this in the box so I can ship it off to Mr. G. And have everything up there. Remember VAM, July the 10th, Tazewell, Virginia. That's a Wednesday. No, that's a Thursday. Anyway, be there, be square. L7. Hey, run an intro. So what we're working on today is just piddling. I'm just sticking around. Last episode I said something about, well, I showed you something, and then I realized that ain't the way I should do it because I had other plans. So what we're doing is we've been experimenting, making a mess. Look at all this sawdust. I don't know, I think working with the wood is messier. So we need what I'm doing is I done laid it out. I'll show you in a minute, but I'm just cutting out. I don't know if I have enough. I might have enough. My skeleton. Yep. So let's do that. Oh, safety. You and you watching. Oh yeah, safety. You gotta have your safety gear on, right? Ready? Wearing my safety shields. So we proud of our safety around here. Ho! Ho, ho, ho! About that time. Merry Christmas. Whew, that don't help. Either way you respirator when you're working with this particle board, you'd be sneezing boogers out of your nose. Got sawdust everywhere. We used a drill. We used a jigsaw. We used a drill, jigsaw. 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 Now we're going to use a circular saw because it cuts straight line better. Oh, my tool. Hey, you can use a welding table to work on. It's good for all projects. See, I'm just clamped that down. Circular saw. Voila! I might not have enough to do what I need to do. How you got to? I got plenty. Yay! What I'm doing is just cutting temp to match the other side. That's going to work out pretty good. Sawdust. I used to like working. I still do. catch that. The secret is keep your mouth shut. Don't get sawdust in your mouth. That'll work. One more piece. And then I got to quit. I lay my pencil down and lose it. Oh, there it is. Let me cut this and I'll show you what we do with it. Or the finished product. Kind of, well, wouldn't be finished because, anyway, I'll show you what I did. Do it. Okay, this is what we do. And I cut, everything's almost the same. You ain't got to have it perfect. Let's see if I can turn this around here. Maybe move you over here on this side. I don't know yet. We still work in progress. Anyway, like I said, those you can get them close, because I'm going to take a belt sander and sand them all the same. But it should be a reverse copy to put it on the other door. So it goes like this. Step one, I need this right here. This runs along the bottom like so, and this one right here. So they almost all the same. It goes like there, something like that. And I need a piece to go right across there. And then I need, this is the top ring. And like I said, I'm going to go around it and clamp them together and sand them so they be all the same. And I'm just going to stick this piece, kind of using some scrap wood, just for showing you purposes. But it's going to sit like so, or a little bit higher. What piece I need now? I need this piece. And then this piece goes right in there. It's supposed to go right there. Something like so. That's how it goes. Like I said, once I got to go get some stuff to be able to bolt this to it. I think it needs more lift on it, something like that. Just so this will come in like so. So, you know, it's just, that's the way it's going to look. And then the fiberglass will lay over, and I'll cut these, sand them edges smoother, so, and then we'll put all that together. And then I'm going to use a felt, and then I'm going to put resin on it. That'll harden it up. Then come back, put fiberglass on it, and then put some kind of padding over it. Then I'm going to put white vinyl on it, and we're going to call it done. And then I'm going to paint this black, and then try to put it all back together. It's just pretty. It's easier to do this. I mean, I don't really need all this. I just need to raise it up, have a piece that goes down, staple, nail it, and be done with it. That was prototype number 1, and I realized what I'm doing wrong. I wasn't going to use that. I wasn't going to do that. Nope. And I'm going to use all rock for fosgates. I believe I'm right that it's been 4 years, because when Biden took office, and maybe to say, anyway, the price of everything went up. But this ain't cost me nothing, because I bought that U.S. Porter. It's called something else, and I can't think of the name of it. I know y'all know the comment that it's a particle board, it's press board, it's a M.D.F. That's it. It's, if it gets wet, it's bad, but if it don't get wet, it's good, because it stays true and straight. It don't warp like plywood and everything. It's a little lighter. So I'm gonna go clean my mess up, because I need to package this up and send it off. And y'all like that. Got a doctor appointment in the morning. Hope you had a happy Thanksgiving. 2 weeks later. Yeah, me. That's why I pre-recording. I forget what day it's gonna air. But anyway, Merry Christmas. Peace signing off. No. Go check out that video there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here. And remember, Vam, we'll see you there. Later.